I need a discount. We are buying a lot. I need to tell Matthias that I need a bigger discount. Hello everyone, I'm Santiago with Ceramic Pro Sarasota. Here at Ceramic Pro Sarasota we are an elite dealer. That means that we are offering exclusive products for our customers in ceramic coating, paint protection film, window tinting, vinyl wraps and body shop. We do the extra miles, that's why we stand out above the rest. Ceramic Pro Sarasota is made of 22 people with more than 100 years of experience combined. Our number one priority is the customer experience. From the first call, the walk around, to understand our customers' needs, up to the delivery and explain the customer what we did to protect their vehicles. Ceramic Pro offers great quality products. It's not only about the exotics. We understand the effort that our customers are doing when they are buying a new vehicle, and we are here to help them to protect their investment. My advice for anyone that is thinking to become an elite dealer is try the product, play with the product, compare the products, Ceramic Pro products with other brands. You will see the difference. If you are willing to offer the best of the best, I suggest you to become an elite dealer. You are going to have the best products in the market. You are going to have a big company at your back that is going to help you to grow your business. The coolest car that we have worked on last year, it was a McLaren Senna. We did a full body PPF to protect it from rock chip and scratches, all the elements. And we did ultimate IR ceramic tint all around, including the windshield. The car came out beautiful. The customer was super happy, and everyone here at the shop was very happy to have the car here. Thanks for checking out our shop. A special thanks to Ceramic Pro team. If you are in Sarasota area, don't hesitate to stop by and say hello.